In Avengers: Infinity War, there is a subtle but impactful detail regarding the sound effect used for Thanos' snap. When Thanos snaps his fingers with the Infinity Gauntlet, the sound is not just a regular snap. It's a unique blend of various sounds, including a soft rumble and a distinct echoing crack. This combination creates an otherworldly and ominous effect, emphasizing the monumental and catastrophic event that the snap represents. This small audio detail adds a deeper layer to the scene, making the snap even more memorable and impactful for the audience.